Hey yo, motherfucking gang, what's going on? I've been gone for a minute, man, but actually I've been trying to record, but I've been fucking up my recordings, bro. Like, I got a new headphone, Bluetooth headphones, and I guess I have to change the settings for the screen recording I use. I done recorded 4 videos yesterday, and I can't fucking use them because you can't hear no audio. So that's great. But we're gonna jump into the bars today, man. That's what we're here for. All strictly bars. So I was asked by I was asked by a subscriber of mine to react to Locksmith's old shit, which is the Locksmith that I know. Now, if you don't know anything about Locksmith, I do have another Locksmith video in my reaction channel. I'll probably put the card up later in the video, but I want you to go ahead and get through this. Since that is recent Locksmith, I'm going to put that at the end, and then you can watch the growth of Locksmith kind of thing. So this channel's, man, I got some dope shit in the channel, bro. So, you know, check the videos out whenever you get a chance. But, so this is going to be a 2-piece video. I'm going to have the freestyle he did back in 2012, and then we're gonna do the freestyle he did what year is this? 2015. He looks a little more serious here. So let's go ahead and jump into this video, man. I am recording. Alright, so shouts out to the motherfucking gang. What's going on, my niggas? Shouts out to everybody who jumps in the comments. Shouts out to all the new subscribers, bro. We at 900 something subs right now. We are inching a little bit closer to 1,000, and I appreciate you guys for doing what you do. So let's go ahead and jump into this video, man. Let's catch these bars and let's see what's going on, man. What is he talking about? Whoa, what the fuck? Nigga, you crazy. It's from my last videos. I had smoked all of this shit in the video, and I can't use the fucking video. I love it. Let's get it. Headphones first. Now let's get it. I need new headphones. That's the reason why I got the Bluetooth ones. But it turns out I should have just bought the ones with the wires. Whatever. Well, the Bluetooth ones are my workout headphones now, so. What the fuck?
On Shade 45.
Alright, so Locksmith.
Hold on, y'all. Bear with me. Because only one headphone works until I go and buy some new headphones.
If it's here. You gonna do a freestyle for us?
Yeah, let's do it. You know how we do.
Okay, Locksmith.
We come from them wake-up show days.
Let's go, man. It's home of the true MC. Sway no more.
You see, the old school is no beard, smiles, happy, eager to be in the game, and then just watch like new Locksmith, much more serious, bro. Much more serious. Let's get to the bars, though.
Morning, Shade 45.
Yeah, Locksmith.
Yeah.
West Coast.
Mm-hmm.
You know how we do.
Yes.
We just hanging out. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Classic
Check it
Kanye
out.
joint.
Yeah, look. Verbally vital to write a recital, liable to stifle any sniper and rival any idol in the. Verbally vital to write a recital, liable to stifle any sniper and rival any idol in the Bible, and bridle with viral I will put you in bio-purgatory despite the maniacal gods conspired by you.
That whole scheme was crazy, bro.
Viral I will put you in bio-purgatory despite the maniacal gods conspired by you. Why you try to deny you was an idol? I eye you and stick my dick on my knife and a dime beside you. Dead on arrival, try to revive you. Survival is inadvisable. If you try to cipher, then you suicidal. The genetic outcome of Malcolm mixed with an ounce of the mountains that's out in Isfahan. I piss upon until I doubt you. I doubt you.
Oh shit.
Revive you, survival is inadvisable. If you try to cipher, then you suicidal. The genetic outcome of Malcolm mixed with an ounce of the mountains that's out in Isfahan. I piss upon until I douse you. I doubt you can outdo whatever I'm out to. When I avow, have the crowd rocking like a devout Jew. At the Wailing Wall, I install light revision. Lyrically, I kill more niggas than organized religion. Every hymn is.
Look at Sway face. He's like, bro, they're more.
Ever I'm out to when I avow, have the crowd rocking like a devout Jew. At the Wailing Wall, I install light revision. Lyrically, I kill more niggas than organized religion. Every hymn is a synonym of a sinew cinnamon. Put a price on his life like George Zimmerman. Extra cash for anybody to catch his ass. Make him confess and spray his punk ass with pepper gas. Grab his neck and laugh. When it comes to rap quotes, I'm the GOAT. I snatch a quarter out the plexiglass.
Paper. Alright. Now I'm done with this. Let's focus on these fucking bars, bro.
His neck and laugh. When it comes to rap quotes, I'm the GOAT. I snatch a quarter out the plexiglass. They better let me spaz. I'm deadly ass, a heavy crash or a levy smash. Niggas ain't ready pass. Tense this nigga, I sense he timid. I'm the nicest point blank, try to convince me different.
Like, stop.
Try to convince me
True
different.
MCs. Yeah. They don't have the spotlight because he already got light.
There we go. Yo.
Well, turn his mic up, turn mine down.
Yo.
Yes.
Right.
Check it out. Yo. Something is veering, appearing, staring my soul in peril. No one dare go inside of my sphere when I fear that it's sterile.
Oh my God.
The barrel with the casing, surrounding the bullet racing, is chasing a nigga down to murder my cousin is narrow. And I know the time has come where I can reach a throne if we atone and we condone what niggas be doing the weakest prone to. And I know the time has come where I can reach a throne if we atone and we condone what niggas be doing the weakest prone to be accepted, expected to be concluded. It's rooted within my focus like Moses when he confronted Pharaoh. And I feel it in my spirit when I speak to y'all. To the consumers consuming rap, I weep for y'all. The saturation of urban and black music has made us react foolish and falling off is like a week to y'all. And niggas.
What?
Spirit when I speak to y'all. To the consumers consuming rap, I weep for y'all. The saturation of urban and black music has made us react foolish and falling off is like a week to y'all. And niggas think it's easy what I'm brewing here. A California bearing witness like a brewing here. I had a dream about heaven, it sounds silly.
Like a brewing here. Bro.
Here, a California bearing witness like a brewing here. I had a dream about heaven, it sounds silly. I saw Tupac and Biggie, they asked me, nigga, what you doing here? You got some work to finish, don't ever divert or blemish the legacy laid down like certain clowns with certain gimmicks. Define your own lane, become an expert, and never become a slave to these social media networks. How can a person that claims to be Thug Street with a record that runs deep yet they constantly subtweet? Real the person that claims to be Thug Street with a record that runs deep yet they constantly subtweet. Real niggas with love are rare but they go above what you expecting like these industry niggas that come cheap. Indiscreet niggas tell me I'm too peachy. Industry niggas tell me I'm too preachy.
Bro. That's exactly what niggas is gonna say. This dude is saying too much shit. That's what they gonna say. But he's going the fuck off right now, and you gotta listen. Look, this nigga Sway is like, he's just sitting back, absorbing all the lyrics right now.
Indiscreet niggas tell me I'm too peachy. Industry niggas tell me I'm too preachy.
And niggas ain't used to that.
In the street, niggas would tweet me trying to reach me, but I never respond, and if I choose, then I do briefly. Do brief me or 2 feet me, I'm too deeply embedded into this game I overcame when niggas view steeply.
I'm too deeply in this game.
Do brief me or 2 feet me, I'm too deeply embedded into this game I overcame when niggas view steeply. I'm from a market that markets margin, a marksman, a market, a scheme to marvel that niggas mark, but I left my marking.
All M's.
And I'm mobbing, I'm often harboring options. I'm auctioning off my conscience with vices suffice enough to launch us. And it's pompous, you a largest in the shit.
dropped his mic. He was like, why am I holding this shit? Why are you holding it, Sway?
I'm auctioning off my conscience with vices suffice enough to launch us. And it's pompous, you a largest in the shit stains. And the rich, they clip things, hit any nigga from this range. And this aims to set a precedent for lesser men. The lesson men should take away is break away and sever trends. But instead we tend to focus on what's never been and never ends. So I'ma break the locks if they don't let me in.
See, Sway?
But understand what I do, man, I only do to elevate you. Wanted to drop a beat on him.
Yeah.
You catch that?
Oh, this that.
Sway the Morning Shade 45. You are in the middle of a real cipher. Locksmith.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta wait for that beat to come in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
See, I was gonna wait till I heard it. You wasn't about to throw me off.
That's what he does.
Yeah.
Locksmith.
Check it out. Look, freestyle. People stop and say this like you underrated. With all them skills you got, you deserve a spot on the Bessie A-list. Anybody don't see that, they either blind or they just jaded. I replied with a sigh, you was halfway right, even that's an understatement.
Come on, bro. For a freestyle, you gotta admit, this is fucking dope. You gotta admit, this is fucking dope. Pause that. Hello? Hey. Recording. What you doing? Okay. Yeah, I can finish this video up. I only got a minute left. And then I can make my way over there. I'll play a little bit. Okay. Then I want you wait. I am on the motherfucking way. Yeah. Let me, I only got like a minute left in this video. So let me finish this out and then be there. So about 20 minutes. Well, I still gotta make my way to you. It's gonna take at least 15 minutes to get there. Alright, let's finish this out. Finish this out.
And I'm repping for my pavement, my feet is fanning firmly. And I see them taking shots, that petty shit just don't concern me. I'm born and raised in Richmond, and I grew up in them projects. Saw a lot of niggas die in the blink of an eye, and that shit was hard to digest. And it scarred me for life, every lyric, every bar that I write. From the middle with the concrete, I bright. Niggas wanna put a block on my life, but regardless, when they doubt me, counted out me. Now I'm on about me with about 3 bad hoes. And it's deeper than a feature when I feature what I feed her. What you mad for? And that puts it all in perspective. And that,
Leave it right there. Leave it right there. Leave it right there.
Wow.
Locksmith, man. We putting together.
we get down to any tempo.
Yeah. That was a dope freestyle, bro. That thing hit me in the face a little bit. But that was a dope freestyle, man. You can't say that wasn't dope, man. So y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. Put the next Locksmith song in the comments. Put the next freestyle in the comments, bro. Yeah. The next radio freestyle in the comments. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and react to that boy. What else? There was something else I wanted to say. I don't know. But also, if you are a new subscriber, go ahead and put it in the motherfucking comments that, you know, that's my cat. So put it in the motherfucking comments that you want, that you are, what the fuck am I talking about? Bro, just let me know when you hit the subscribe button so I can greet you to the motherfucking gang. And yeah, man, we out of here. Peace out.